Banana bread often gets labeled as a healthy snack, but let's be honest, that's not what we're here for. This is dessert territory. We're talking about a rich, indulgent, full-on treat. Forget about the diet-friendly swaps. Today, I'm going to show you how to make banana bread the right way. Start by melting 145 grams of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Keep cooking, swirling the pan occasionally until it turns golden brown and smells nutty. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once you get the desired color, take it off the heat and let it cool for about 10 minutes. To a mixing bowl, add 210 grams of brown sugar, then the butter. Don't forget the brown bits. Then whisk in the butter until well combined. Add 3 whole eggs and whisk until you get an homogeneous mixture. And here's the real secret to incredible banana bread. Super ripe bananas. When those yellow skins start turning brown, the fruit inside is breaking down its fiber and nutrients into natural sugars. This process is called starch hydrolysis. The browner they get, the sweeter and more flavorful your banana bread will be. With that in mind, peel and mash 4 ripe bananas. Then whisk in the mashed bananas until fully incorporated. You want a uniform and chunky mixture. Then sift in 270 grams of all-purpose flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of flaky salt or half a teaspoon of fine sea salt, and finally 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Using a spatula, fold gently in circular motions. Avoid overmixing to keep the gluten from developing. Then fold in 1 cup of chocolate chips until evenly distributed. Add to a greased bread pan the batter, smoothing the top. Also sprinkle extra chocolate chips over the surface. Place in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius oven. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the bread rest in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes. Then transfer to a wire rack. Allow it to cool completely before slicing to get clean, beautiful cuts. Grab a slice while it's still a little warm, pour yourself a cup of coffee or a cold glass of milk, and just enjoy every bite, because dessert should be exactly this good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.